Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful flower decoration made out of balloons and crepe paper very easily at home without spending a lot of money. If you are new to this channel is all about party decoration, photography tips and making your occasion special. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then click on that red subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and by subscribing you'll stay updated on all the new videos I make and all the new and latest designs of exclusively themed party decorations which you can find nowhere else on internet. For our first step we are going to take cardboard paper. Make sure it's hard. Then we'll take a compass and we'll set it at 7 centimeters. Then on this cardboard paper we are going to make a circle of 7 centimeters in diameter. If you don't have a compass and you need to make a circle, I have made an entire video on this. In that video I'll be showing you many different ways in which you can make a circle without a compass. Go and watch that video if you need to know how you can make a circle without a compass. We are going to cut this circle. Again we'll take the cardboard paper, and this time with our compass we'll set our compass at 4.5 centimeters. Again we'll make a circle and our diameter will be 4.5 centimeters, and we'll cut out the circle. Next we'll mark the middle area with the pencil. Next we'll take a compass and we'll push the middle area so that you get a hole there. And we are going to make a hole like that. 0.5 centimeter in diameter. That's the same that we'll do on this one. At the middle point that we have marked, we'll take our compass, the pointed piece, and we'll push it. And we'll keep on pushing in that same area because that's the area we want. Make sure that you don't hurt your fingers on the other side. With the help of the puncher, we'll make 5 holes in this. This is 1. We'll make 5 holes in this. And each hole should be 7 centimeters far from each other. So here's 7 centimeters, here is our next hole. So here's the next hole. We'll take the puncher and we'll place that place around the puncher and we'll make a hole. And again we're going to see we're 7 centimeters from this. We're going to mark that point and we'll make a hole there. Again we'll mark a point at 7 centimeters and we'll make a hole. And that's the same way we are going to complete it. So here is our first cardboard and we've made 5 holes here on this. Now for the small cardboard, we'll mark a point and we'll make a hole here. And at 4.5 centimeters we'll make a dot again. And at that dot point, we will punch and make a. From this point again, we will measure 4.5 centimeters and we'll give it a punch again. Same way, we'll measure 4.5 centimeters. And like this, we'll be making 5 holes. With scissors, we can one time in the middle make a round. So we make sure our hole is big enough. Now for our next step, we're going to take crepe paper. I have red crepe paper, yellow crepe paper, orange crepe paper. We'll take the crepe paper, we'll mark 4 centimeters on it from its edge. 4 centimeters. And we'll cut it out. And once again, we'll make a piece at 4 centimeters. And we'll make another cut. Like this, we have 2 pieces, and both pieces are 4 centimeters in width and 2 meters in length. And that's the same that we'll do with the other colors. We'll need 2 pieces of all the colors, each piece 4 centimeters in width. I have here 5 large balloons, red color, 5 medium balloons in orange color, and 1 small balloon in yellow color. And now we are going to pump all these balloons. This is our first balloon. Now the important part is that all the red balloons that I have 4 other red balloons. I have to pump these exact to the same size as this balloon. The sizes of these balloons should not be different from this size. So you have to pump them equally like this. If you don't know how to make all the balloons of equal size, and if you want to know how you can make the balloons of equal size, I've made an entire video on this on my channel. After watching that video, you'll know exactly different ways how you can make sure that all your balloons are pumped to the same size. Same goes for the orange balloon. Whichever size I'll pump this one to, I'll pump the other 4 orange balloons at the same size. Now we will take this small circle that we made, and we'll take our orange balloons and we'll put this orange balloon inside one of these holes that we made with the puncher, and we're going to pull it out on the other side, and we'll make a knot there. This is 1 balloon. I'll do this with all 5 orange balloons that I have. This is our first construction that we have made. Now we will take the large circle that we made, and exactly the same way we'll take the red balloon, put it inside here from one hole, pull it from the other side, and make a knot. I have secured one now. In the same way, I'll take a next balloon. While you are doing this, make sure that you put all in the same direction. And don't put it in any different direction. All have to be in the same direction, the same way. We've put 5 red balloons now. Next we will take our orange balloons, our yellow balloon. We put it in the middle hole that we have here, this middle hole. We'll put our yellow balloon in that. In our next step, we'll take a piece of cardboard and we'll cut it at the size of 12 by 12 centimeters. We'll make a square out of it, and we'll make sure that it is 12 centimeters long at all sides. And we'll put double-sided tape on all corners of it. Also, we'll put 2 pieces of double-sided tape in the middle. One like this, and another piece of double-sided tape like this. So I have here a piece of cardboard on which I've used double-sided tape. I've pasted double-sided tape on all 4 the corners and also in the middle, both horizontally and vertically. This is our flower decoration. We'll turn it over. Here's our cardboard, and we'll cut it in the shape of a circle. It doesn't have to be exact, as long as it looks like a circle and there are no sharp edges on it, because if there is any sharp edge on it, then it might burst the balloon. So make sure we don't have any sharp edges on it. We cut it out in the shape of a circle and then paste it with the side of the double-sided tape onto this paper. In our next step, we carefully place this decoration of small balloons onto this bigger size balloon, and we'll make sure that the small size sticks out between 2 balloons. 1 small balloon between 2 large balloons. Again, here, small balloon, 2 large balloons, like this. We'll keep it here, and we'll take double-sided tape. We'll use small pieces of about 2 centimeters, and we'll carefully place it on the red balloon. And place it on such a place where you know that the orange balloon will touch it. So then you can paste those 2 balloons together. So I've done it here on this location, Now I'll make sure that I take out the upper plastic like this. And that is exactly how I'll paste the balloon together, like this. And I'm going to do this on each red balloon, 2 sides. So I can stick this orange balloon and this orange balloon as well on it. And each orange balloon will have double support from 2 large red balloons. So next again we'll take a piece of double-sided tape. I have pasted the first piece of tape on this balloon, the red balloon, and on the other side where I know the orange balloon will touch it, and we'll paste our orange balloon on it. That's exactly how we'll continue our structure. So now we are near our wall. Here we'll hang the construction. I took masking tape and I'll take pieces of 5 centimeters and I'll paste it on the wall. I'll make a small square here. And here again in the middle, both vertically and horizontally. On this masking tape, we'll take double-sided tape and we'll put small pieces on the masking tape. Here again the same thing. I'll be putting the double-sided tape in all 4 corners in the shape of a square, and I'll also put small pieces of double-sided tape in the middle, both vertically and horizontally, to make sure our construction is safe enough. So after removing all the covers from the double-sided tape, now on this structure that we have made here, we'll hang our balloon decoration. Make sure that the cartoon box side that is here, that you paste this, you press this on this construction that you've made here. Next we'll take masking tape again, and we'll take a piece of 30 centimeters. So one long piece of masking tape of 30 centimeters, and we'll paste this underneath the flower decoration. On that piece of masking tape, so not on the balloon but on the masking tape, we'll put our pieces of double-sided tape. In our next step, we'll take our pieces of crepe paper that we had and we'll decorate this flower. First thing that we'll do, we'll take a piece of red crepe paper that we made and we'll paste it on the first double-sided tape that we had here. Next we are going to take orange color crepe paper and we'll paste the orange crepe paper next to the red one. And then we'll take our yellow crepe paper and we'll paste that. So now we have 3 rows of crepe paper here. And that's exactly the same that we are going to do, but we'll do it upside down now. So we started here with the red. We won't start here with red now. We will do yellow now. So we'll take our yellow crepe paper and we'll paste it on the 4th double-sided tape that we had placed there. We'll take the orange color and we'll put it on the 5th double-sided tape. And lastly, we'll take the red color crepe paper and we'll paste it on the 6th. Now I'm going to take pieces of masking tape and each piece will be 5 centimeters big. Now we'll measure from the crepe paper that's hanging here, and after 30 centimeters I will place one piece of double-sided tape there. And that's exactly the same what I'm going to do on that side as well. I'll see where my strip of crepe paper goes, and from there I'll take my ruler and I'll check where it's 30 centimeters. On these pieces of masking tape, we'll take 2 pieces and each piece of double-sided tape will be 5 centimeters. And we'll put this double-sided tape on the masking tape. Next we are going to take the crepe paper, the red crepe paper that's on this corner, and we'll turn it. We'll turn it 5 times. That's the same that we're going to do on that side. We have turned that one for the right side. We'll turn this side for the left side. You can use this flower decoration for any birthday party or anniversary, baby shower or a bridal wedding. This is just an example. You can change the colors, you can do anything to make the thing more beautiful and the way you like, according to the theme you are going to decorate it for. So this is my very easy flowered balloon decoration. If you did like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do let me know what you think about this decoration. Is it beautiful or not? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated for all the latest and exclusively themed beautiful decoration ideas.